Changing the email link to your Spotify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Edit your email address. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email or Account Overview. Click on the option to edit your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may need to verify the new email address by clicking on a confirmation link sent to it. After completing these steps, your Spotify account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Spotify's help section for further assistance.